was a lazy Sunday. We didn't want to get up from bed, but we received a message from our friends that we're going on a quick beach trip. We went to Paniman Beach Internate. Bumili nga pala kami ng mga food sa market na nadaanan namin. May nabili kaming lato. Syempre isda. Bumili din kami ng iba pang iihawin like yung tahog at pork syempre. Nanghiram lang pala kami ng ihawan sa katabing cottage. And this is my husband stuffing the squid. Bumili siya nito kasi alam niyang paborito ko. And sobrang sarap ng pagkakatimpla niya dyan. He knows it's my favorite. Nakabili din kami ng pakwan na medyo maputla. At ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa nabili namin itong talaba. Grabe, salt and calamansi solved na. Now it's time to swim after kumain. Ang sarap mag-swimming dito kasi malakas yung alon. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami dito and sobrang nakaka-relax talaga.